Okay. Hi, my name is Steve Voitella with GJ Homebuilders. I'd like to welcome you to the Lewis House at the 2020 Parade of Homes. We arrived at this floor plan about 3 years ago. In building our subdivisions, we had 3 different floor plans. This has been our most popular floor plan with 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. Has 2 patios, has a lot of good selling features, a large master closet, 2 linen closets, coat closet, pantry, and it's just been a great selling floor plan for us. Well, we think our granite tops are nice, the hardwood floors, carpet in the bedrooms, custom cabinets, all tile through the bathrooms, floors, shower walls, so covered porches, just has a lot of good features with it. It's all LED lighting, Hunter ceiling fans, has ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, so just nice lighting throughout. The large rear covered patio, we get more compliments on that than anything. I think so, just a gathering spot for everybody, and patio tables and couches outside, and I think it's just a great area for people to relax. Well, most people notice the kitchen overlooking the living room and dining room. We don't want any walls bordering off the kitchen, so it's always a good selling point, open concept. Very popular. I couldn't imagine building a house where the kitchen is blocked away from the living room.